everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have a very unique model, and one I'm very excited for actually. The Level Airlines A330-200 by NG Models. This is something that, this is an airline and a company and a model that is kind of really gone unnoticed and gone under the radar for quite some time. It's one of those that just kind of operates, it's kind of there, but you don't hear a whole lot about it. And in terms of the model side of things, I don't know if there's ever been a Level 330 released. Maybe Aero Classics dropped one some time ago or whatever, but from what I remember, what I was looking, I don't think there's any Level 330s out there on the market. This is the first one. And this is one I'm actually very excited for because this has been a model, an aircraft, an airline that's flown to LA for many years now, out of Barcelona. Level's a sort of a low-cost, long-haul airline that operates out of Barcelona to a few destinations. And it's basically operated, the flights are operated for or by Iberia, that sort of thing. And it's an IAG group airline, but yeah, it's one of those unique ones that again, it's kind of like, it's basically Iberia operated, but Level brand, low cost, long haul situation, kind of like what Norwegian was doing and now what Norse is doing. But yeah, they've been going pretty strong and been flying into LA for quite some time now, let's say several years. And it's been one of those where, the model has just never been there. I've never been able to take this airline off my list to collect. So very, very excited to finally have this. When NG announced the hints, this was for October 2023, that's when this model was announced and released. But when they dropped the hints, I thought that it might have been Iberia that they were going to do. As, again, to be honest, Iberia A330s, there's been a 300 by, I think, Aero Classics, maybe many years ago, a Gemini Jets version, but Iberia A330s are also something that's, I'd say, is all pretty highly sought after by us collectors. So I wasn't sure, it was kind of like, Iberia or Level, but I was very excited to see that it was Level, and I do hope in the future that we will see an Iberia A330-200 and an Iberia A330-300 in the both old and new livery. Did Iberia have 200s? Yeah, I think they did. Because before the 350 flew to LA for Iberia, which I do have the 350, the 330 was what would do that route. The 330, I think 200, and occasionally the 300. But that was one that there's really no model out there, like good model for it. So I was never able to get one of those. And again, Level was just non-existent, like in terms of the model. So very, very excited to have this. And I do hope that in the future, NG will drop some Iberia models, particularly the A330s. It'd be nice to see an A340-600 as well in the future by somebody as a throwback, because I know those used to be the prominent operator. The 300, I think the 600 and the 300 used to fly in LA many years ago. And I wouldn't mind just kind of getting some of those as a throwback, because I've seen a couple of them in person. I don't think I've ever seen Level in person, as I know they operate in LA, but I don't think they were operating when I last went to LA, which was in 2015. It wasn't there then. I think it started up in 2017 or 18 is when they started a long haul service from Barcelona to LA. But yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get to it. They released this one and a special livery one. Obviously, I just got the plain livery and I'm very, very excited for this. Echo Charlie, November Romeo Hotel is the registration. Here's the box, looking very, very nice. Very excited to have this. So yeah, let's get it. Level only operates a fleet of 4 A330-200s to a couple destinations. I think LA, Miami starting, I want to say JFK, one or two other places. slipped my mind, but yeah. So here we have it, looking very, very nice. A very, like, pretty plain and simple livery, but, you know, a unique one as well, like the colors. But I'm very excited for this, actually. Another A330 for the collection, and a new airline, which is the biggest deal for me. You know, just trying to tick off these airlines. Like I recently got Starlux, and now finally Level, and I'm just very excited to have these new airlines. Oh, actually, was there a card in here? Yeah, it was. Okay. I was gonna say, I was hoping it wasn't one of the situations where Easy Toys took the card, but no, they've been pretty good with it. Anyway, here we have them all. Very, very nice. Very excited to have this. Again, it's a pretty Euro white livery, but let's get into the detail here. Cockpit windows and everything look really nice. Good detail around there. Pretty plain and simple though. You got the L1 door. Got some little stickers and stuff right here. No idea what they say, but yep. Got November Romeo Hotel there on the gear door, and the gear looks very, very nice itself. Good details all around here. I think that says A330-200. Yep, right there. Fantastic. You got the blue and the green for the Level colors right there next to Level, the titles. Got the antenna and the Wi-Fi dome, or one of the SATCOM domes right there. L2 door, looking very, very nice. Got the little CFM. Are these CFM? No, what are these? I can't remember what engines these are. I forget what type of engines these are. It's all, I don't know, there's something about the 330 with these smaller engines. I feel like the IAE, the longer ones, just looks better. It's something about these smaller ones that looks funny, but anyway, looks very, very nice. You got some good detail on the wing and everything. The winglets, blue on the outside, green on the inside. Very nice. Got the emergency exit right there. Got the Wi-Fi dome and some antennas at the back. Got the Spain flag right there, and then the registration, Echo Charlie - November Romeo Hotel. The main door, so it's L3 right there. Well, I guess this would be L4. If you count this as L3. And yeah, and then you got Level right there on the blue and the green, looking very nice. Very plain and simple, as I say. Not a whole lot else going on. I think there is a couple of little markings around. You got the antenna right there. The bottom, as you can see. Take a look at it head on, looking very, very nice. And then spin it around. Only difference is you got the baggage door right there. Ooh, a little bit of dirt. There we go. And at the back here, you got the bulk bin and the baggage. So very nice. Yeah, pretty plain and simple, but as I say, I'm very happy to have this new airline in the collection. It's one that oh, they do have Level belly. That's awesome. That looks really, really cool. If it'll focus, there we go. Undercarriage and everything looks fantastic. Gear is looking good. You got the registration right there on the wing. So very, very nice. Very excited to have this. I can't wait to hopefully get an Iberia A330 as well to go along with this. Despite them using the 350s now still. So very excited to have this one, and hoping for NG to release some more Iberia models as well to go aside with this. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for this one, guys. If you did enjoy, smash that like button and subscribe for more mall unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.